This is a production from Your Tech Admin. Enjoy. Hello, Your Tech Admin here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply third-party themes to your copy of Windows 7. And by third-party themes, I mean themes that aren't released by Microsoft or any of its partners or affiliates. Well, they could be affiliates, but pretty much third-party themes change a lot more than normal Windows 7 themes change. They can change things like the taskbar's appearance, and sometimes your start button, and stuff like the borders around the windows and what the Windows buttons look like, and how arrow acts. Like there's some that remove the blur from the window transparency. So they're pretty neat. So to do this, the first thing you're going to need to do is open up your web browser and search for Universal Theme Patcher Windows 7 Download. And the third link down should be one for a website called freewaregeeks.com. Just click that link and scroll to the bottom of the page and click the direct download link. And you're gonna need WinRAR to unzip it. Or well, actually, I think it's just a zip file. Yeah, it's just a zip file. So you don't need WinRAR, but I would recommend you go ahead and get WinRAR anyway, because you're eventually going to run into a file that you're going to need WinRAR for. So anyway, once you have it downloaded, just go to your download directory or wherever you download your files to, and extract it, and you'll get a folder like this in 2 files. You can ignore these files and just go into the folder, and you'll see Universal Theme Patcher x86, Universal Theme Patcher x64. Now, if you're running Windows 7 32-bit, you're going to need to use the x86 theme patcher. If you're running a 64-bit version of Windows 7, you're going to need the x64 file. Don't get these confused. I don't know what could happen if you use the wrong one for the wrong version, but let's just not find out. Alright, when you run it, you're going to get this warning. Just go ahead and tell it yes, unless you've turned them off already, which you can do in Windows 7 now. Just tell it your language, and it's going to say this: the OS needs to patch 3 files, yada yada yada. Just hit yes, and for yours it'll say patch will be highlighted on each of these. You're just going to go through and click patch, 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 and then a pop-up will come up and say it's done. So then it's going to ask you to restart the computer. So then you're going to restart the computer, and once you get back, you're going to need to download some themes. A good site I would recommend for downloading themes is DeviantArt. And once you get into DeviantArt, make sure you search for themes for Windows 7. And you're going to have to be very careful when you look for these themes, because some of these themes are just Windows 7 themes for XP and Vista. You don't want to get those confused. So we just scroll around and look for a theme that looks nice. There's a lot of nice ones here. I've already downloaded a theme, so I'm going to show you how to apply a theme really quick. Well, actually I'll just go ahead and download a different one. Okay, so let's say we wanted this one. It says Aero VG7 for Windows 7. So we know it's a Windows 7 theme file. We're just going to download that, save it, and it won't take long. It's not a big file. Internet's going kind of slow today because I'm already uploading videos on my other computer. Alright, once it gets done downloading, just go to your downloads directory again, or wherever you save your downloads to, and you're going to extract it. It might be a zip archive, it might be a raw archive, it all depends on which file you download. Alright, so you extract it, and you'll probably get a folder or a bunch of files. Either way, ooh, this one's an installer. Well, this one you wouldn't need to patch your files for because it has an installer for it, but we're going to have to find another one that doesn't have an installer so that you won't run into any trouble later. I'm going to pause the video real quick and download another file. Okay, so I found another file. It's a Luna theme for Windows 7. It's the same one that I used in an earlier video that I made. So I'm going to go ahead and extract it. Alright, so here's the folder, and you see we have Luna and Luna Aero. I don't really like the Luna Aero version, so I'm just going to show you the Luna version of this thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the folder, and you're going to get all this. And what you're going to do is you're just going to copy all this. Actually, you're going to copy this folder. And you're going to copy that into the C, Windows, Resources, Themes folder. You're going to copy it into here, and you're going to give it administrative access to copy the file. And once the folder's in there, all you need to do is go to the corresponding theme file and just double click it, and it should launch just fine. And there you go. So that's just a quick tutorial on installing third-party themes onto your Windows 7 machine. There's a lot of them out there, and there's a whole lot of really nice looking ones on DeviantArt, and I haven't really found the other sites that have Windows 7 themes yet, but there's probably some more out there. All you're gonna have to do is do some digging around. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'll be making more videos soon. Comments or descriptions, all that are always helpful, and until next time, guys.